Welcome to Escape by Ambreen. Imagine picking fresh, juicy tomatoes right inside your home, even in the middle of winter. Sounds impossible? It's not. With the right method, anyone can grow tomatoes from seeds indoors, fast and easy. Here's how to do it step by step. First, choose the right seeds. Cherry tomatoes, dwarf varieties, or determinate types are the best for growing indoors. Step 2. Prepare your seeds. Plant them about 1/4 inch deep in a light, nutrient-rich soil mix. Keep the soil moist, but never soggy. Step 3. Set up the perfect environment. Tomatoes need warmth, around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and at least 12 to 16 hours of light daily. If you don't have enough sunlight, use LED grow lights. Step 4. As your seedlings grow, feed them every 2 to 3 weeks with a tomato-friendly fertilizer. Add small stakes or cages to keep the plants upright. For pollination, gently shake the flowers or use a soft brush to transfer pollen. Follow these simple steps, and in just 8 to 10 weeks, you'll be harvesting your own delicious homegrown tomatoes, right from your living room. Growing tomatoes indoors is simple, rewarding, and saves money at the store. Start with 1 pot today and see the difference. For more gardening tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit my blog, Mindscape by Ambreen.